what's going on? So today we're doing this look right here for the first time. Let me backtrack. Not the first time, but we are doing this look where we are using the Berries and Cream Dominique Cosmetics palette along with her lippies. This is what I got going on, and I'm in a rush right now because I gotta go. But I have to record my intro because my other videos I forgot to record my intro, and yeah. Anyway, so here's the look, and if you want to stick around to see how to get this look, then stick around. You guys, we are finally using the Dominique Cosmetics Berries and Cream palette along with her two lippies, and I did do a review on this product right here. I'm going to either post it before or after this video. I'm not too sure right now, but this is what we're using. I went ahead and did my brows, and I'm going to go ahead and put some concealer on top of my eyelids. So for this video, I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the shade Light Medium. And then using my flat, big brush right here by Morphe, we're going to just blend all that concealer out that's on top of my eyelid. So now, taking my Berries and Cream palette, I'm diving into the shade Soft and Sweet and placing that on the crease and or eye socket of my eyes, and placing that all over my eyelid. Now, taking that cherry juice color, I'm going to focus it more on the outer corners of my eyes using a really light hand. As you guys can see, it is very pigmented. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of that chocolate mousse you see right there and very lightly place that somewhat on top of cherry juice. I'm almost mixing the two colors together. For this look, I want to use this beautiful cranberry color, so dive into that cranberry color you see on the screen. And you can use your fingers if you want, but I'm just going to go ahead and use a brush that looks like this. And what I'm going to do is pack that on pretty much from the inner corner of my eyelid until it touches the other shadow we placed on earlier. So to bring in that inner corner glow, I'm going to take this shade Sugar Cookie and basically just place that on the inner corners. So obviously I did my eye makeup and I did my eyeliner, so the next step in my case is to curl my lashes using the Tarte Lights Cameras Lashes Mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face using the YSL Blur Primer, and then taking my Hourglass foundation stick, put on some foundation. So now taking my NARS concealer in the shade Macadamia, place that right under my eyes, covering up my dark circles, down the bridge of my nose, some on my forehead. Boom, boom, like so. Just to make sure everything is nice and bright and set in place, I'm taking the Too Faced I Want Candy Banana Pudding Press Powder, and I'm just placing that just under my eyes to really brighten up that look. Alright, so now it's time to bronze up my face, and for that I'll be using the ever so famous Butter Bronzer. For my highlight, I'm going in with the Anastasia Amrezy highlight. And then for my lips, I'll take this Dominique Cosmetics Plum Berry shade. Alright, so my lips are done, and because my face is feeling super dry and it just needs some of that nice hydration, I'm taking my Essence Prime & Studio HD Hydra Prime Spray. You guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe down below. Join the Kwak fam. And if you like videos like this, click the like button, leave a comment, share the love, share this with your mom, your dad, your friends, your family, all that good stuff. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!